Alright, now that we've added our dimensions in, we're getting pretty close to being able to turn in a basic drawing. And so the last thing that we want to do, at least for your basic assignments, is fix this title block over here so it has all the information that you need for the assignments, and then that way you can get it turned in as well. So in order to fix the title block, you are going to go up to File, and you're going to click on iProperties. Okay, and this is going to bring you into the Properties tab. I'm going to bring that over here a little bit. So now once you're in the iProperties tab, you can click on Summary. And here you have your title, your subject, the author. Notice it pre-populated the author for me. This is my username. You are going to want to change that as well. And then you can also add in the company. Okay, so for the title, this is where you would add in the title of the assignment for the project. We don't really have a title for this, so I'm going to just leave. I'm just going to put in title of assignment, and then that way you guys know that that's what should go there. For the author, you should put your name, and then for the company, I always like putting the school. So if you're a Julian, you'd put in Julian. If you're a Brooks, you'd put in Brooks. I can just put Oak Park, District 97. Okay, and so additional things you could do is add in things over here as well. I'm going to leave those blank for now, but just to kind of show you for the project, you can also add a description. You can also add in estimated cost for things, and there's a lot of options that are in here. But for now, I think this is pretty good. The title of the assignment, your name, and then the school that you're at. And I'm just going to hit OK. And you'll see when I zoom in down at the bottom here, it'll have who it was drawn by, so it should say your name, the date in which it was populated. This is going to be your school, and then the title of the assignment. And so it has everything that you need to know there. Also notice it adds the scale in. So my scale is 10:1 for this trapezoid. You'll notice that it's really small, which is why my scale is so large. You might have a much smaller scale, might be closer to 1:1 or 2:1, something like that. All right? And so that is how you use the title block.